Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So, first we need to press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, we need to use the down or up buttons to scroll through the menu and scroll through the menu until you find the system option. Select the system option and then press the start/stop button to enter. Now, scroll through the menu, find the reset option, this one, select it and press the start/stop. And here, select the option called delete data and reset settings and then press the start/stop and then press the check mark to confirm, and this will remove all of your data and settings from your watch. If you don't want to remove, for example, your personal data from your watch, you only want to reset the settings, you can always go back to the reset menu and select the option called reset default settings. This will only reset the settings, it will leave your personal data on the watch. So you can do that, but we're gonna completely reset the watch, so I'm gonna select delete data and reset settings, then press the check mark to confirm, then scroll down, select yes and press the start to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this screen, the welcome screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.